Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're going to learn how to calculate mode in SQL. So that is the value that appear most frequently in a column. So whether you are preparing for an SQL interview, working on a data project, or just want to level up your SQL skills, this video is for you. So let's get started. So I have this this table. So this table, and the question is asking to which score or scores appear most frequently in the student performance table. So generally the question is asking to find the mode of the scores. So we're going to use our first method. So we're going to use our first method will be CTE, where we'll first of all going to write a query that will group the score and then count the number of count how many times each scores appear. So let's start with the CTE. Let's call it frequency or F CTE as select stars no select score and then count the star as, let's call it this one, frequency from the table name. The table name is student performance. So you can just copy student performance, then we group by score. We group by score. So if you run this query, we'll have score and their respective frequency. But we are more interested with the score or scores appearing most frequently in student performance. So the score that appearing most frequently in student performance table is 85 and 95. So these are the most frequently scores appearing in. So we're going to use this freq column to filter only the maximum. So we're going to write a query select max free from this table. So we are finding the maximum. We are finding the maximum frequency. So the maximum frequency is maximum frequency is maximum frequency is 3. So we're going to filter the scores that has maximum frequency. So that means they has a frequency of 3. We're going to write select star So the table is ft where frequency freq equals to, and then we run this one. Yeah, so the scores having maximum frequency is 3. So first of all, we've created the table grouping the score and their respective counts, and then we've come up with the select max frequency so that we can get the so that it can give us the highest frequency, and then we've filtered the the score that have the highest frequency, and then we get this output, so that was one of the method to tackle this kind of question. We can also use method 2. So method 2, we can use this table. So this table, as I've said, it groups the scope and gives the frequency of each of each of each scope. Yeah, so now we're going to write another CTE that will rank the frequency. So this one we can call just freq rank. So this CTE will rank the frequency from the highest to the lowest, from the most frequent to the least frequent. So select star, and then we rank over order by streets. So we're ordering by the frequency to descending order, and then we call this R N K from this table. Yeah, and then we now filter after after coming up with this ranking query. You can now filter the most frequently. So the most frequently is ranked number, is ranked in position 1. So start from the table having the rank. There are where RK RNK equals to 1. So first of all, we've created the table grouping the scores and their respective frequency count. So this is the table, and then we've come up with another table where it include the rank of the frequency. So this table that will include the rank of frequency. And then you execute. Yeah, so this one is the table that groups the score and their respective frequency. And then we've added the column of rank using this table. And then from this table, we've used the rank to filter the most frequent. So that means the most frequent score will be ranked in position 1 because we ranked the frequency from descending order. Yeah, so if you have found this video helpful, kindly subscribe, like and share, and I hope that this video has helped you to understand how to calculate mode in SQL. So let's meet in the next video. Thank you.